What is up, guys? So in this video I got this free monitor from the sidewalk, and in this video I'm gonna go ahead and see if it works. I'm gonna clean it up if it does work. But before that, let me go ahead and show you how dirty this thing is. So this is an Insignia monitor. I believe it's like 18-19 inches, if I'm not correct, if I'm not wrong. It is a Best Buy recycle. When you are ready for a new TV, please visit bestbuy.com/recycle. So Insignia is a Best Buy brand. So I noticed that there's a bunch of spider webs on this, and then there's a bunch of little stuff around here. You can see that there, and then look at this area here. That looks disgusting. I have no idea what that is. Hopefully we'll find out here. I don't see any bugs at the moment. Oh, I think I just figured out what it is. Let me see if I can zoom in here. That looks like a cockroach, and that looks like a roach there too, and a bunch of them are inside. So all of this is probably cockroach shit. So let me go ahead and show you on this side again. Zoom in. That is so nasty. But if it works, I'll definitely clean that up and use it. This is a very tiny monitor. It'll be a really nice monitor to test computers and stuff like that. It needs to be connected to a display, so it'll be really nice to see if this works. So to do that, I have here my EcoFlow power station. I'm outside in my little office area here. Right here you can see my little workstation. This is an old sink. I just screwed on some metal plates on here for this metal sheet. So this is where I just do all my random stuff at home when I'm bored. And I'm gonna test the monitor with my PS4 here. So I'm gonna connect that. So first things first, let's go ahead and connect this and see if it powers on. Plug it in. Oh, even the plug is really nasty. I don't even want to plug it into my station here. Let's see if we get power. Oh yeah, we do get a little red light right there. So let me power this on. I don't have a remote, so hopefully it can be used without it. Okay, so far nothing is happening. Alright, there we go. Press the button. Oh, it did turn on. It's like a black screen. Just like it did turn on, but it's not displaying anything. Okay, so let me connect my PS4 to it. Alright, so I plugged into my PS4 and I did notice that we're drawing 17 watts. So the monitor is being powered on because the PS4 is still powered off. So I'm going to power this on, see what happens. Alright, PS4 is turned on. Do we get a display? Oh, damn it, I forgot to plug in the HDMI. HDMI is okay, so the HDMI is now plugged in. And I don't see anything. Oh, I think this is damaged. Okay, I do see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see there's a. Damn, it's gonna be hard, but it looks like this corner is like turning blue. and this is black, and then blue again. So I think this display might be dead, honestly. Yeah, let me see if you can see that right here. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to show you, but yeah, I think the display is cooked. Yeah, it's not working. My PS4 just turned off. Alright. Well, unfortunately, the monitor does not work. So, what I'm gonna do now is gonna take it apart and see what kind of animals we find inside. Holy damn. Look at all that cockroach poop right there. What the hell happened in here? There's like a massacre of roaches happening here. Look at that. Oh my god. There's a spider in there. There's a roach. He died in that cable in there. Right there. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. I do not want to even touch this anymore. I think I touched it for too long. Yeah, I think maybe the display was damaged because of the roaches. Probably caused damage to the TV. This is a TV because it does have what is this cable? The coax cable. And yeah, usually monitors don't have these audio cables or video cable too. So yeah, it's a little TV here. So yeah, I mean, that's insane. And that's probably what caused this TV to just, you know, not work. That is crazy. And I shouldn't have brought this, because if there's any live roaches in there, then they're gonna be in my house. So thankfully I did this outside. But yeah, this is going straight to the recycling bin. I'm gonna recycle this. And yeah, I mean, it looks really good in here. I mean, it was covered, but other than the dead roaches, you know. Speakers might still be good, but there's no way I'm touching that or taking that off. But yeah, anyways, that is all for this video. I picked up a monitor from the sidewalk and it didn't work, and it was full of bugs. Look at that. And damn, hopefully I'll still pick up some electronics from the sidewalk if they're good, but definitely not monitors that much anymore, because usually most of the time if their monitors are in the sidewalk, they're not working anymore. That's the case for this. Yeah, anyways, if you have any questions, leave a comment. What do you think about this monitor? Would you have picked this up? Yeah, see you guys in the next one.